It's no secret that to find the best real estate deals, you have to find the most motivated of sellers. But this begs the question, how do you find them? Today we'll go over 5 different online marketing strategies you can employ right now to find the most motivated of sellers and the best deals. If you're looking for offline marketing strategies, refer to my other video. So let's get to it. Hey guys, Brett here with Springport Wealth Inc. Thanks for joining me. Hope you find the information helpful. If you do, I'd be very honored if you like and subscribe. So the holy grail of deals, the motivated seller. Today we'll go over the 5 online strategies and we'll dig a little deeper into each one. The first online strategy that you want to employ is Facebook Marketplace. Do you know how many people use this platform on a daily basis? 2.2 billion. That's billion with a B. So that's a great way to get in front of a large number of people who can see your ad daily. That's a huge reach potential. So it's something you definitely want to make use of. Another great advantage of Facebook Marketplace is it's free. So there go your marketing dollars. That's a great thing to take advantage of. The other thing is to keep in mind, most people who are using Facebook Marketplace, a lot of them are decluttering, getting rid of things, and that gives you the indication that a lot of them are getting ready to sell. So there's a large potential there. So that's another great reason why Facebook Marketplace is a great online marketing strategy that you want to employ today. The second online strategy that you want to employ today is Facebook paid ads. Now one caveat here, Facebook paid ads can be a whole separate training all into itself, but it's just too important not to touch on it. It's important because you have the potential for every single person who visits Facebook to see your ad. Now what you do with them once they see your ad, that's where all the magic happens. Now once you have your campaign dialed in, you can just set it and forget it and have all the motivated seller leads come directly to you. Now who wouldn't want that? Another effective strategy is Google paid ads. Now Google paid ads are so effective, but if they're not done right, they can be a little expensive. So you want to keep an eye on that. For those who don't know, the way Google Ads works is you show up when someone types in specific criteria into the Google search. For example, sell my house fast. Now if someone types into the Google search, sell my house fast, they're giving you a telltale sign, putting up their hand saying, hey, I'm a motivated seller. And by you having your Google search paid ads dialed in, you will come up when they enter the search criteria. How effective do you think that's going to be? So once they find your site, they will reach out to you. This is a great way to have motivated sellers contact you directly, cutting out any middleman. And this is precisely why they're so effective. Another effective strategy is classified sites like Craigslist or Kijiji. Now since we focus a little bit more on helping Canadian real estate investors, we'll focus more on Kijiji. But the same strategies will apply for one or the other. Now Kijiji gets 12 million visitors every single month. And that's a huge potential amount of eyeballs that will see your ad every month. And this is great because Kijiji often has motivated sellers frequenting the site. What they're trying to do is sell it privately and avoid paying realtor commissions. Also another telltale sign that they're motivated sellers. You can have them reach out to you with a simple ad like, we buy houses, the good old classic, or we buy apartment buildings if that's the market that you're trying to enter. Now if this is something that you don't have in your toolbox right now, it needs to be today. Another great thing about it is it's free, so make use of it. Another effective online strategy is Realtor Searches. See, many people don't realize there are other options other than going with a realtor to sell their home, so they will list it. Now you can use this to your advantage. Have your realtor set up an auto search for you in specific neighborhoods or your entire city if that's what you're looking for. Since I'm a realtor, I do this personally for a lot of my clients. I set up keyword searches like TLC, needs work, handyman, judicial sale, bank owned, so on and so on. I mean, the possibilities are just endless. But this is definitely a strategy that you want to employ because these people have gone through the trouble of getting their home ready, spoke with the realtor, signed a contract, gotten it on the MLS. So they obviously want to sell their home. And this is a nice, easy way for you to generate motivated seller leads. So make use of that one today. And there you have it, guys. 5 effective online marketing strategies that you can employ today. There are many more, but we just wanted to focus on these because we found good success with them ourselves. So go out and employ these strategies today, and you'll have motivated sellers calling you or connecting with you in no time. And just remember, you're not always looking for the right house, but you are always looking for the right seller. So best of luck, guys, and happy investing.